Hi, I'm Rich Frawley, and I'm the Digital Forensic Specialist with ADF Solutions. Today we are going to demonstrate the installation process for Digital Evidence Investigator on a computer that has no internet access. You can refer to our technical specifications for minimum requirements and supported operating systems. During the installation, a prompt appears to install the Microsoft Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit, which is required for preparing a collection key and conducting boot scans. To do this, the computer must be connected to the internet. Since many forensic computers are offline and do not have an internet connection, we have the following instructions for offline installation. On a computer connected to the internet, go to wadk.adfsolutions.com, which will download the correct version of the ADK setup executable. Once downloaded, execute ADK setup, which will continue the installation process. When prompted to specify a location, choose Download for installation on a separate computer. Approximately 3.8 gigs of space will be required. Save the downloaded files on a removable device. You want to choose your privacy options desired and accept the license agreement. Now that the ADK has downloaded to your external drive, if you are not sure if you have the latest version of the ADF tool you are installing, go to www.adfsolutions.com/downloads and save the latest version to the storage device as well. Okay, once you're at the offline computer, navigate to the download on the removable storage device and execute the installer ADK setup. Accept the default installation path and click Next. Again, accept your privacy and license. When you have to select the features you want to install, you want to make sure it is deployment tools in the Windows pre-installation environment. Everything else can be deselected. Again, before you hit install, make sure it's deployment tools in the Windows pre-installation environment and then hit install. Now that the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit has been installed, we can hit close and then proceed with the installation of DEI. You can see here the executable is DEI followed by the version, and we will execute that. You could review the license and terms and conditions and then click install. Once completed, select Finish. And if you're going to be using DEI Pro, which has Mobile Device Investigator bundled within, you can choose to install the driver pack. Once that's complete,